All right, going up. What floor do you want to go to? Housewares or ladies' lingerie?
Let's go to ladies' lingerie.
Nice. You're not modeling, right?
No.
Okay, good.
You know what? Did I cut enough tube off of here, you think? I can't tell.
I can't even see, so.
All right.
Let me go up.
Might have to cut some more tube off of there.
All right. Clock's not working. Woo! Hey, Wick. Watch. Watch when I hit the key real quick. Ready? Watch your gauges. Bloop. We got power. Nice. Blower motor works. I got noise out of the radio.
To ask about summer specials. Saturday, October 8th, it's the 16th annual Paint El Paseo Pink Breast Cancer Awareness Walk-in fundraiser to help support the Desert Cancer Foundation. Sign up as an individual, form a team, join a team, or just donate. But we'd like to see you there walking El Paseo. Go to paintelpaseopink.org to sign up and get all the details. It will be an exciting and inspiring morning.
Antenna ain't working.
Funds. Paintelpaseopink.org. Register now. Paintelpaseopink.org.
Schizo Kitty is the desert's premier high-end erotic boutique.
$4 Caliente cut.
Find your biggest selection of nearly new vehicles, from hybrid to electric.
Did you ever imagine that you would go back into the workforce at this age?
I really did.
Burn up that ignition.
Yeah. Hey, shit works though.
Yeah.
What's clicking?
I don't know, but that gem light shouldn't be on when it's an accessory, should it?
Yeah.
Oh, the wipers are on.
How? Except the switch off.
It doesn't not.
There's wipe. There's off.
No, still spinning.
Yeah, just unplug it for now. Okay, so we got to figure out.
Do you know front tires can wear faster than back tires do?
Radio off. Well, I'm glad the radio works. All right, so MSD troubleshooting. Wick and I have already jumpered the orange wire from the distributor ground, and we had spark. Now we're gonna see if we have power going to the distributor. Okay, so Wick and I tested for power here, and we had nothing. But then we checked our diagram, and our electric choke runs off the same circuit. We unplugged the choke, and now we got voltage. That's fucking weird.
It is very weird.
But we're gonna hook that up. We gotta put the coil wire back too.
Yeah.
And we gotta take the carb hat off.
Yes.
You make sure you smoke closer to the carb.
It's got gas in there, we know that.
Yeah. All right, so I'm gonna hook that up, and then we'll get a little clip and cross our fingers. All right, Wick. Moment of truth.
There you go.
I'm fucking. We ain't got shit.
Yeah, try that.
Try that. Okay. Go. Nope. Okay, so we need to see, because it's got to be while it's cranking. We have to check for voltage at the coil.
Yeah.
And it's like a bajillion volts. Yeah, I guess.
Plug back in there.
We're plugged back in.
Right?
We're plugged back in.
This is plugged in. This is plugged in.
All right. So we found our issue. Maybe. Because we tried to hide everything in the factory wiring. And of course, the black with pink is a resistor wire. MSD no likey 9 volts, yeah?
No.
It wants like 100. All right. Now I'm fucking terrified. Go. No. Okay, so we've completely bypassed, before you hit it, the MSD box. And we've got it, the standard plug and play. All right. You get the multimeter. Attempt number 5,024,000. Like a fucking champ. It's alive! I know. That's the best part.